Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting tutorial for you on how to get unlimited gems in Baseball 9 using the Baseball 9 app. As you can see, I have already used the app to acquire a tremendous amount of gems, which is pretty incredible, and I can't wait to demonstrate how you can do it too. To get started, there are a few settings that you need to adjust on your iPhone to ensure the app works properly. Later on, I will show you how to do it on Android as well. First, go to your iPhone settings and select the General tab. Make sure that the background app refresh option is turned on. This allows apps to refresh their content in the background, so leave it enabled for Wi-Fi or both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, let's move on to the battery settings. It's crucial to ensure that your phone is not in low power mode, as it can affect the app's performance and the hack. To disable low power mode, simply toggle the switch to the off position. Now let's proceed to the final step. Go to the App Store and ensure that automatic downloads is enabled. This step is important to ensure that the app will be automatically downloaded when it becomes available. Now that we've covered all the necessary settings, you're ready to download and install the Baseball 9 hack. To do this, open your internet browser and visit oginject.vip. This website specializes in app injection and offers modded apps like Baseball 9 Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find Baseball 9 When the app appears, click on it and then select the Start Injection button. This process may take a few minutes to complete, so please be patient. Once the injection process is finished, you should see the app installed on your iPhone. If you happen to be using an Android device, don't worry, the process is still quite simple. You just need to make a small change in your settings. Locate and disable the battery saver option. After that, the rest of the steps remain similar to those on an iPhone. Open your internet browser and go to oginject.vip. Use the search bar to find Baseball 9 Once you find it, click on the option that says Start Injection to initiate the process. Please note that this part may take a few minutes, but trust me, the outcome will be well worth your patience. I have successfully used this method on my own Android device, confirming that it works perfectly on almost every device. So, no matter which device you own, you can follow these steps and enjoy Baseball 9 If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.